The mighty lion, strong and fearless, patrols its territory with confidence. Every step shows the power of the king of beasts. Near the water's edge, a bird glides gracefully across the surface. Its reflection dances on the waves below. With perfect timing, it skims the water, searching for fish and other small creatures. The scene is peaceful, yet every action is part of the endless struggle for survival. Hidden among the rocks and tall grass, another hunter waits, the snake, silent, mysterious, and incredibly skilled. Without making a sound, it glides across the ground. Its senses guide every movement as it searches for food and avoids danger. Some snakes rely on Beneath the golden sunlight, a powerful lion stands watch over its territory. With sharp eyes and unmatched strength, the king of the grasslands moves with confidence. Every step is calm and deliberate. The lion's roar can travel for miles, warning rivals and protecting its family. In the wild, strength is important, but patience is often the greatest weapon. Moving through rocks, grass, and shadows, it remains alert to every opportunity and every threat. In the wild, survival belongs to those who adapt. Whether flying above the water or crawling silently through the earth, each animal has its own unique role. High above the landscape, birds fill the sky with life. Their wings carry them across forests, rivers, and open plains. Each flight is a display of freedom and precision. From tiny songbirds to powerful hunters of the air, birds play a vital role in nature's balance. Their songs echo through the wilderness, creating a soundtrack for the natural world. Nature reminds us that every creature matters. Every day is a new challenge, every moment is a new story, and every life